Hi, welcome back to Creative Meza. Today we are making prawns biryani with prawn head stock. Let's get started. Here I've taken 1 kg prawns. I've taken 1.5 tall cup of biryani rice. I've washed it and ready to go. 2 big size onion, a bunch of mint leaves, 2 green chilies, some ginger, some garlic, 1 lemon, salt as required, 2 tablespoons of ghee, fennel seeds, whole garam masalas, pepper powder, garam masala powder. Let's marinate the prawns. I've added 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon chili powder, some salt, juice of 1 lemon. Please check out the video how to make the prawn head stock. Link will be in the description. I've used this stock to prepare the biryani. This will really enhance the flavor to be absorbed by the rice. 2 tablespoons of ghee. Whole spices. Fennel seeds, 2 crushed green chilies, sliced onions, Sauté the onions till it's golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste. Two teaspoons of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. Add only the marinated prawns. Saute it well so it gets crispy outside. Add handful of pudina leaves. Put the lid on and cook it for a few minutes. washed 1.5 tall glass of biryani rice. Saute it for a bit and add the prawn stock. I have got exactly 2.5 cup of prawn stock. Adjust the salt. Cook on medium flame for 1 whistle. Try out this method and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Until then, bye.